Choosing the right lighting zone for your overland travel lighting kit is crucial. By considering factors like beam patterns and light placement, we introduce a personalized lighting solution that enhances your off-road adventures. Let's delve into the specific functions of each lighting zone to gain a better understanding of how they can elevate your overland travel experience. By customizing your lighting setup according to these zones, you can optimize your visibility and enhance your adventures on the road. Cargo. The cargo light is crucial for drivers who require quick access to tools and cargo in and around the vehicle. It illuminates the work zone, ensuring convenience and efficiency whether you're making a planned or unplanned stop off-road. This essential component enhances visibility, facilitates easy organization and retrieval of items, making it an indispensable feature for any off-road build.
At Novsight, we are dedicated to optimizing the use of light by applying it to the right situations and lighting zones, ensuring that you find the perfect lighting solution for every need. To learn more about the light zones, please visit our homepage or check out our YouTube channel for additional information.